everyone, Amanda here from Create with Scrimping Mummy. I'm here to really quickly share a collection with you. Now this is not one of my Journal Enjoy collections, this is an extra 17-page collection that I'm giving to my Ko-fi subscribers. And because August is my birthday month, so this is me extending my thanks to my Ko-fi subscribers that stick by me month in and month out. And you're going to get this 17-page beautiful collection called Lovely Lilacs. Now, if you're not a member of my Ko-fi members club, let me just tell you, it's such good value for money. It's £3 a month. You can unsubscribe at any time. You can join just for 1 month, get the collection that you like and leave, or you can join and you actually get access to all the previous collections. Okay, most people don't unsubscribe, they stay subscribed because they know that I'm going to bring out something new every month, and also it's a great way of supporting me as a creator by paying that £3 a month, which is just over $3 USD. So at the back end of July, I released my Mediterranean Moments collection for my Ko-fi subscribers, full journal collection, okay, and this was for August, released back end of July. They're also going to get this freebie, and in addition, on or around the 23rd of August, I'm going to be releasing the next Journal Enjoy collection, which is for September. I'm releasing it early because I'm going away on holiday. So this month is a fantastic time for you to have a look, have a think, and try out my monthly subscription club and see what you think, because you know, this one, and another new one before the end of the month, plus all of the previous collections will become available to you. So have a think, okay? So anyway, back to my members. They support me month in and month out. I'm so grateful. So I've created this, and it's called Lovely Lilac, and it's just called that because the main colour throughout is lilac. And we've got these lovely soft watercolour florals. I've kept them really soft and gentle and pretty on a, vintage ephemera background, collage background. So some are in portrait, so great for your tall skinnies, okay, and some are in landscape. So that's the first page. This is a 17-page collection. As it's not a Journal Enjoy collection like this one, it's a smaller collection. There's not as many embellishments, but the pages are stunning. Okay, there won't be a journal tutorial on this one, but you can go and visit my Journal Enjoy playlist and recreate any of the journals that we've done on there. I think I've either done 9 or 10. I can never remember how many we've done. So that's that one. Then we have got this beautiful one with this lovely corner piece here. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, I don't want to zoom in because it's going to mess about with my focus. Then we've got some in the landscape. How beautiful is that? You can see the invoicing coming through there and the watercolour splodges. It's just beautiful. And there's another one. And there's another one. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to go through it pretty quickly. So this one's really lovely because you can either have this landscape or you can have it portrait. It doesn't matter on this page. Okay, it's beautiful. I'm loving the collage background. It's really pretty. Then I've given you a collection of collage pages, all shrunk down into one collage, and it's slightly darker than the journal pages, you know, because so that it can accentuate and it can give you a pop of colour. And the darker purples here will lift out the purples in the soft muted journal covers, journal pages, and just enhance everything. Okay, trust me. Then we've got another one. This is one of my favourite. I love this floral collection here. It's just beautiful, and we've got all of these like painty effects on there. It's lovely, really lovely. This one's beautiful as well, with this swag going across the middle. We've got a watercolour lilac background and then the invoicing showing through. It's lovely. Just making sure I'm in shot. Then I've done some journal pages because I like to be able to have writing pages. So these I've got more of a clearer background for writing on, with the similar images, but really soft and muted, really pretty. So this is meant to be kind of faded. Okay, it's so pretty. And here again, and there's another one, really beautiful. And there's another one with that lovely floral cluster that I absolutely adore. And as I say, it's very muted, so it's like almost like a ghost print, so you can still write over the top. And there's another one. And then, as I say, not heaps of embellishments, because it's not a Journal Enjoy collection, it's just an extra free collection. I've just done some tags, and I've left those really bold. So the colours on those are nice and bright. And we've just got a couple of butterflies there. They're a decent size so that they're not fiddly to cut out. Okay, so just a few there. So it's not a huge collection, but it's 17 pages, more than enough to make a journal with. It's really, really pretty. And, you know, it's an extra freebie. So a huge thank you to everybody who does support me month in and month out. I really do appreciate it. And if you've not tried my subscription club, it's awesome value for money. It really is. I really try my best to make sure that you get beautiful, beautiful pages to play with. You can download them in JPEG or PDF, A4 or letter size, or you can just leave them on the, you know, if you stay subscribed, you don't even need to download them because you can access them whenever you want. So it's almost like your own file place as well. You don't have to use up the space on your own computer or PC or phone. You can just go there and print the, you know, download them and print them out and then delete the files. You can always go back and print them again if you stay a member, because they're there, you know, they'll be there forever and a day. So I hope you like that. I hope you'll consider joining the subscription club. On my next task is to finish my Mediterranean Moments journal, because I do want to take it on holiday with me. And then obviously I'll be back in and between with some other videos. I need to do some more work on my huge book of ephemera. And I've already done September's collection, and I'm absolutely thrilled with it. So watch out for the release of that on my YouTube channel. Please make sure you are subscribed, click like, and hopefully we'll see you over on the membership group. Thank you so much for your time. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.